Tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and potatoes have all one thing in common, and that is that they all belong to the Solanaceae family, or the nightshade family. The nightshade family consists of many fruits and vegetables that are mostly native to the Americas. While a lot of these plants may look very different from one another, there are a couple of characteristics you can use to be able to identify a plant from the nightshade family. One of the first things is by looking at the leaves. The leaves of a nightshade family member are usually alternately arranged and usually have hairs that can be found both on the leaves and the stems of the plant. Some of these plants can be irritating, so do handle with care when you are approaching this plant. One other characteristic is the flower. The flower usually come in fives or in sevens in odd numbers, and that also includes the sepals, which are connected at the bottom part of the flower. But one of the most well-known characteristics is that almost all Solanaceae family members have very fleshy fruits with two chambers in the inside of the fruit. A lot of these nightshade family members we actually eat for the fruits, such as tomatoes, tomatillos, peppers, and they actually have high alkaloid levels that can cause inflammation. So do handle with care, especially if you do have an intolerance or are sensitive towards these kind of plants. Some of these plants also consist of invasive species such as tree tobacco and purple nightshade, while others consist of very rare and protected species such as Datura, which is native to California. We hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.